Hi friends, welcome to the brand new course on YouTube. Today I have started on Dino.js, and Dino.js is just recently it is released, and I think in 2020 it is released, and it is compared to Node it is much faster and it is more secure, and no npm package manager is present in Dino, and Dino Ray and Dal has implemented like Dino JS. You can see a lot of questions like who is Dino is going to replace Node.js? Dino 100 minutes. What is Dino? Will it replace Node.js? Uh, what is Dino? Will it replace? Uh, arrives challenges Node.js. Dino arrives Node challenges to Node.js. And Ryan Dahl is the inventor of Dino as well as Node.js. You can see here original author Ryan Dahl. And even for Node.js, Ryan Dahl is the original author. So the implementer of Node.js is implement Dino.js as well because he saw some disadvantages, some limitations in Node.js. Okay, now what I'm going to do is Dino.js and search Google and go to Dino.land. Open Dino.land here. Dino.land, and here Dino is a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. Dino is simple and modern and secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. It uses Chrome V8 engine and it is built on Rust. Rust is more faster compared to any other programming languages like Google Go. Compare with Google Golang, Rust is faster than that. It is secure by default. Yes, it is secure. Supports TypeScript out of the box. Ships only a single executable jar. And installations are very simple. You don't have to install multiple things. Very simple. You can use Chocolatey, and Mac you can use Brew. Windows you can use Choco, and you can run the Dino very simple like Dino run welcome to TS file. You can run it very simple. First what I am going to do is before jumping into the Dino, friends, subscribe to my channel and I will be uploading the videos regularly. If any notifications or any updates from my channel, I will be uploading. Okay, before going to jumping to the actual course, what I am going of this, I'll be implementing REST APIs, creating the user, getting the and all the APIs will talk to the Mongo database. I am going to use MongoDB driver and I am going to use Oak as a middleware framework. For routing module, I am going to use Oak, OAK, Oak. Okay. First, let me install Dino in local installation. Okay, we have came here and install Chocolately. Click on this one, select the chocolate and get started. Install. How to install? And PowerShell as administrator. Run it has an administrator mode. It's open. Now copy this one and paste in the PowerShell and click on enter. It will install Chocolately. I have already installed Chocolately. I am stopping this one. Cancel it. After installing Chocolately, what you can do is open command prompt. Open command prompt, and we are going to install Dino. Copy this. Put it in command prompt. I have already installed. I am not going to install. Just stopping this one. You just click on yes, friends. Do you want to continue? Yes, you can. I don't want it to install. I am stopping. After installing Dino, open command prompt and enter Dino. Okay, version is 1.0.5. You can quit using Control D or CLOSE close function. You can use close function. This is a REPL. Here I can execute plus 2, 3 console.log, and I'm going to start run one simple program. I copy this one and run it here. Dino run. No need this one. Let me control. Welcome to Dino.js. What is this? From where it is coming? Copy this as it is. Copy it. Yes. What is present in this TypeScript file? It's coming from standard module, standard library. It has only one line, console.log. Welcome to Dino. This is what we have done, right? Console.log, Dino, demo, Dino. You can even create here. What I have done, I have created the folder and selected the project. I have created a file main.ts, and in this lecture I am using Visual Studio. Download Visual Code and set it up. It is, you can say specify console.log. Welcome. And what we have, what I am compiling, it's printing. Welcome to Dino. Okay, and in the next lecture I am going to implement server, and after that we are going to implement routers. Thank you friends. Don't miss it. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates from my course. Thank you friends. Bye.